welcome back. Nakatutok pa rin po kayo sa Ignite Gospel Music Festival Season 2, the finals night.
At mga kaibigan, itutuloy-tuloy pa rin natin ang pagboto para sa inyong sinusuportahang banda. To vote for Team Aya, just text Vote I1 and send to 8933.
For Team J, just key in Vote I2 and send to 8933. Para naman sa Team Harold, type Vote I3 and send to 8933.
And as of the moment, here's the voting standings. Tingnan natin, sino kaya ang lumalamang at sino ang medyo napag-iiwanan ngayong gabi.
Tadadan, tadadan.
Ayan, maya-maya lamang ay lalabas na yan. Ay, there you go!
Ayan.
Si Team C ay medyo nagsistay pa rin sa 6.14%. Si Team B naman ay medyo sakto lang sa gitna, 28.33. At ang
Kanina nasa medyo 30 pa yan.
Oo, at ang medyo hard to beat na Team A ay 65.53. Ngayon, siyempre ang question dito, hindi naman natin talaga alam kung sino sa kanila. This is in no particular order. So, mag-wish na lang kayo na si Team A ang bet ninyong di ba?
That's right. Oo nga, meron na lang silang ilang minuto para bumoto, kaya itodo nyo na yan.
That's right.
Mag-text na kayo, guys, at ituloy na natin ang tugtugan para sa kanilang last performance. Kanina, binanggit natin na may twist para sa round na ito. Each band will sing a song popularized by their mentors.
Pero special ang round na ito, guys. Kasi naman, makaka-jam nila ang kanilang mentors.
Wow, napaka-exciting yan. Pang finale talaga yon. And once-in-a-lifetime experience yan na makasama nila ang nagagalingang mga mentors natin, right?
That's so right. Pero, but wait, there's more. Okay? Dahil uso ang shuffling dito sa Ignite, isa-shuffle din natin ang mga kakantahin nila.
Wow! Tama po ang narinig nyo. Ang Team Aya ay gagawa ng rendition ang isang Shamrock song.
At ang Team J naman will be performing an Imago song at ang South Border song naman for Team Harold.
Yes.
Gusto niyo bang makita yan? Do you wanna hear that?
Ako excited na talaga ako para dyan.
I wanna hear that. Excited na ako marinig ang mga kanta na yan. So, bakit hindi pa natin sila tawagin? Rem?
Ang kakantahin nila ay mula sa banda ni Sir Harold na Shamrock. Si Sir Harold ay mamaya makakasama natin, titingnan natin yung kanilang comment. This song was released last 2007 under Barkada album.
Kaya ladies and gentlemen, to get their own rendition of the song Ngiti, Nights and Day together with Miss Aya De Leon.
Dinagdag namin doon yung puso namin. Wow. Para nakapagtugtugin.
Yes.
Yun yung sinituro namin yung mental namin. Ang lakas ng mga gilas.
Yes, that is Ngiti by Team Aya. Sir Harold, they are singing the song for you. Sana naman ngumiti. Nasiyan.
Sample!
Yes.
Sample!
Sample, Sir Harold daw.
Sir Harold, try it lang.
No?
With the drums.
Okay, what can you say, Sir Harold, with the rendition of the song of...
You know, thank you guys for putting in the time, the effort to do the song. Doing tribute songs, especially when the one you're tributing will be in the building, is a very awkward position. And being the one who was tributed to comment is equally awkward. So here I am in an awkward moment. But it was a very nice job. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Sir Harold. Back to you, Carl and K.A.
Maraming salamat, Sir Harold. That was indeed a little awkward, but I want to ask how you felt performing the song by Sir Harold's band.
Okay na.
It's always a pleasure to play music, number one. When you're given a song to play or to render, and then you try to make it your own. So we did try our best. Ako po kasi talaga, out of the box talaga ako eh. Kasi, ano ba? Ganun lang po talaga akong tao. Na minsan, sige, Pop, kilala niyo ako as, you know me for the songs that you are familiar with. Meaning, nakapasok po siya sa box na hindi ko po sinasadya. Pero yung totoo po niyan talaga, lagi akong nagko-question. Kung dapat ba ganito yung forma lagi, dapat ba yung ganito? At para saan ba yung ginagawa ko? Yun. So kailangan, I think music is supposed to educate also other people. It's to help other people what do you call this? Ano ba to? To live outside of their assumptions and presuppositions, to question them as well. So, yan.
Thank you very much, Miss Aya. Pero eto, kasi bihira lang talaga. Parang ngayon lang talaga natin sila nakita magkakasama on stage at
Yeah.
nag-perform pa. Miss Aya, any final message naman ngayon para sa, eto nakatabi mo talaga itong mga alaga mo?
Again, I'm just really, really appreciative of everything, every single effort that you've given for this season of yours, for this opportunity of yours. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, marami talaga sa buhay na nagbibigay ka ng walang kapalit. Minsan iniisip mo kung worth it ba to, 'di ba? Alam mo, pagiging musikero, mas marami yung humihingi sa iyo ng libre. Mas maraming nagkakasakit kaysa yung may pera. 'Di ba? Yung tipong, uy, gusto kitang marinig kumanta, pero ayaw kitang bayaran para kumanta. I mean, ayaw kitang, 'di ba? Pwede bang libre? So, isa to sa mga things na ginagawa mo dahil mahal mo ito. Pero, yun nga. Salamat sa inyo, sa inyong puso, sa inyong efforts. So, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Sana huwag niyo akong kalimutan. Yun.
At syempre, at this point, gusto rin nating marinig yung masasabi ng band kay Miss Aya. Kasi
Oo nga.
this is your time to shine. This is the last song that ito na yung last song niya for tonight. So,
For tonight.
is there anything that you want to tell your mentor?
Thank you po. Yun po, first of all, thank you po kasi wala, thank you talaga eh. Kasi overwhelmed kasi ito nga, kanina habang kumakanta, napapasulya pa ako kay ma'am. Tapos, kasabay ko siyang kumanta. Parang ganun. Sa pleasure, sobrang saya. Pati yung mga moments na magkakasama kami pag practice, di ko makakalimutan yun. Tsaka, thank you so much. Talagang ikaw po yung ginamit ni Lord para na-reach pa yung talents namin. Salamat po.
Oh. And of course, Kay, I'm sorry, but Miss Aya, I want to take this chance to honor you also because...
Nagtatago na siya
Huwag ka na
eh.
magtago kasi honestly, you're one of the guys who made this season so special because of your inputs, because you just put your heart out there. So, once again, ladies and gentlemen, Team Aya.
Bago pa tayo magkaiyakan dito at dinadagdagan pa tayo ng musical scoring dito ni Sir J.
Gusto nating i-encourage sila. Ayan, talk to the people sa madlang mga nanonood sa inyo.
Oo
Encourage
nga.
them to vote for you kasi this is it.
So guys!
Galit ka ba?
Guys, vote for us. We're not after the, yun nga, prize.
So sa akin na lang pag
Pero,
nanalo kayo.
We're after for God's will, tsaka yung dreams namin. Yung pangarap namin, yung pinaka-importante para sa amin. Yung pangarap ni Lord para sa amin, tsaka yung pangarap din namin. Yun. Guys,
Okay, para naman sa mga supporters ng Team Aya. Okay, guys.
Thank you,
narinig
Team
nyo na?
Aya. Ito din
Boto
na
pa
ang
kayo.
pagboto, mga kaibigan.
At ngayon naman, thank you very much, guys. Team J will perform a hit song from Imago. At ang awitin na to, they won as the music video of the year noong 2005.
Okay, tama yan. So, KA?
To sing AKAP, mga kaibigan, let's give it up for Ricochet and Mr. J.
Durias!
Durias!
Malaki naman tiwala ko sa inyo eh. Para, ano na nga eh, hindi na nga kayo kailangan ni mentor eh. Yun ang kailangan natin aralin.
Grabe. Sobrang nakakaiyak yung rendition nila, Miss Aya. That is Team J. Okay. Anong masasabi mo sa rendition nila, Miss Aya? Parang nakita kita medyo naluluha. Eh, okay lang yan.
Kakainis on the spot. Pero, maraming salamat sa, ano ba to? Team J na, kasi, ano ba to? Iba rin yung, merong pumupuso nung kanta mo. So, I really appreciate it. Mahal na kita, Jay. Grabe.
Grabe, Carl. Mixed emotions talaga dun sa awitin na yun. Unang-una sa lahat, di ba? Yung akap to begin with, napakagandang awitin.
O kaya
na
siya yung
talaga.
makeup talaga. But ako, I'm blown away. Really, like, literally, I'm blown away. Sir Jay, kamusta yung performance now? Did you enjoy it? Anything that you want to say to your band?
Okay, here's the real deal. I'm so proud of this group kasi honestly, their performance tonight, lahat ng arrangement na ginawa nila, sila lang yun. Hindi po ako nakialam doon. Nakialam lang ako doon sa first few rounds, but this time it was all them. Nakijam lang ako kanina. I told them that I won't be able to sing a whole song kasi baka may mangyari. Yeah.
May term ka din, sir. Ano yun? Crayola?
Oo, Crayola. May term kaming Crayola. Baka Crayola nga. Kaya naghanda na ako ng shades. Baka lang.
Crayola. Okay, gets nyo na yan. Crayola.
Mukha namang napaghandaan ko.
O baka nga, Sir Jay, pati
Okay
yung
lang.
mga team members mo naka-shades din ngayon.
Pero wala akong masabi. Speechless ako. But, paano ba? It's still the heart. Basta tandaan nyo lang palagi kung ano yung, just go out there and play your hearts out. Yun lang yun. Thank you.
Siyempre,
Thank
papalagpasin
you
ba natin?
for the opportunity, for having me as your mentor. Thank you.
Mentor Jay, siyempre, napigilan mo yung pag-iyak mo. Tignan natin kung mapaiyak ka naman ng iyong mga alaga. Ayaw. Nagtuturuan sila kung sino yung
Nagpapasahan
magsasalita.
sila ng microphone.
Siyempre, pakinggan naman natin yung boses ng buong banda ni Sir Jay. Buong banda talaga eh. Sino sa inyo? Uy, shining moment yun ito. Anong gusto nyong sabihin kay Sir Jay? Ay, umiiwas yung mga babae. Alam na natin kung bakit. Mga
Very emotional
Krumayola
yung mga
din
girls.
sila.
Emotion yung mga girls.
Bawal sa amin umiyak, mga macho.
Tingnan natin.
Well, despite sa lahat naman nangyari, hindi mga magagandang nangyari kay Sir Jay, mga personal niyang stuff na hindi magandang nangyari, hindi pa rin naging hadlang sa amin yon para hindi magpatuloy sa contest na to. Pinagsama-sama lahat ng namin, ng mga idea namin, lahat ng mga galing namin, talent namin, at hindi kami nagpahadlang sa lahat ng pwede mangyari para sa finals na to. So, lahat ng yon ay, hindi naman sa pinagmamalaki, pero lahat ng yon syempre, kinoconsult namin kay Sir Jay, pero madalas sa pagkakataon, naiintindihan namin na hindi siya pumipwede. So, lahat ng yun, yun, sa amin. Hindi naman, parang pinagkaisahan namin. So, maraming salamat, Sir Jay, kasi po, yung kanina, first and last practice natin, sa totoo lang, doon po naramdaman ko po talagang gaano po kayo naging sakripisyo sa amin. Despite sa lahat ng mga nangyari, sa lahat ng mga grieving nyo, lahat ng mga hindi magagandang nangyari sa inyo, pinilit nyo pa rin po makasali sa amin, maging parte po ng ganitong programa po namin. Sa totoo lang po, kung ako po nasa sitwasyon nyo, hindi ko po kakayanin yung ganun eh. So,
Ang galing ni Lord eh. Siya yung
yun po.
nagbigay ng strength.
Baka may sabihin po sila.
On behalf of my team na lang, sobra kami thankful kay Sir Jay kasi bira, Sir Jay na yan. Sir Jay na yan, South Border. Sino ba naman hindi matutuwa niya?
Come on.
Sobrang thankful kami kasi pwede masuto.
Siya pala yung mauna.
Sobrang thank you lang kami kasi yun nga, hindi siya, hindi, kahit na, hindi namin siya kasama most of the time. Never namin na-feel na parang na-left kami, na-left behind kami. Ikaw na nga. Yun, sobra. Sir Jay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Alright, at bago pa tayo magkaiyakan, would you like to invite our viewers and everybody in this place to vote for you? Kasi you only have a few minutes left. So,
Trabaho muna.
oo. Plug din. No?
Trabaho na tayo. Hello po. Muli, kami po ang Ricochet and humingi po kami ng suporta sa inyo via texting vote space I2 at isend po sa 8933. Maraming salamat po.
There you go.
Okay, I2 para supportahan ng Team J.
Thank you very much, Team J. At bago natin tawagin ang Team Harold, we just want to thank, once again, our wonderful, awesome, generous sponsors.
Ignite Gospel Music Festival Season 2 is presented by Imperial PVC Pipes and Thermcore Roofing and co-presented by Save Radio and Magazine, Spin Manila, and PhilHealth.
Ignite is also made possible by Dreams Inn, House of Praise, Travel Sim,
and Boundless Blessing, Little Carlo Cafe, Malakay, and Musikatap.
So, ang Team Harold naman ang magpapakita ang gilas.
Tama ka dyan, Carl. At alam naman na natin na ang rename ay into alternative rock. At ang South Border ay R&B. So ano naman kaya ang version na gagawin nila sa hits ng South Border?
Ang kakatahin po nila ay mash-up ng kanilang sumikat na kanta noong 2005 at talagang isa sa mga nag-hit na nag-number 1 sa OPM Music Chart.
Nako, excited na ako dyan. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Rename and Mr. Harold Hyson.
We make Jay twice as happy.
Hindi kami makakalimutan ni Sir Jay for the rest of our lives.
Of his life.
Of his life.
Kahit kailan di kita pababayaan. Kahit kailan, kahit kailan. Kung ika'y mawawala sa piling ko, di na alam kung kakayanin ba kayang umibig kang muli. Kahit na ano pa ang mangyari, di maaring ipagbalik. Sasamahan ba kita hanggang this for you, Sir Jay. Sa huli, kahit kailan, di kita iiwan. Kahit kailan, di kita pababayaan. Kahit kailan, di kita pababayaan. Kahit kailan, kahit kailan.
It's all about owning it tonight.
That is just, wow. Way out of the
Pasabog
box.
talaga lahat, no, especially kasama yung mga mentors, diba?
Years na ako marinig ang comment ni Sir Jay.
Grabe, Sir Jay. Parang nakikita kita dun sa likod. Tawa ka ng tawa.
Umiiyak na nga ako dun.
Umiiyak ka na nung lagay na yon.
Man, thank you. Guys, thank you so much. I know that was like, you've been true to yourself. That's the way to do it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Sir Jay. Tama yung sinabi ni Sir Jay, no? You've been true to yourselves. Alam ko na challenging, Sir Jay, yung, to take it from an R&B arreglo to something so, how do I say it?
So them.
Oo, so them. So accessible. Paano ba Tagalog yun? Madali abutin. Hindi niya na-gets. Okay. Sige.
Yes, Sir Jay.
I have tons of respect for all the genres. So I just see it as just they just own the song, just like that. So thank you. It's so sincere. Thank you.
So sincere. Sir Harold, anything that you want to say to your band? How do you feel about what you did?
Well, these guys are awesome, so there's not too much to say about them. Working with me is probably hard. Anyone who's ever been in any musical context with me probably knows I'm about the most difficult person to work with. As close as you'll get to a drill sergeant in the musical world. So these guys endured, persevered, perspired, survived, and I'm proud of them. So that's really all there is.
Thank you, Sir Harold.
Thank you! Ngayon naman, now that Sir Harold gave us last message para sa kanyang team, let's hear it from the team. Anong gusto niyo sabihin? May
English,
spokesperson.
Yeah, it has to be English, Kailangan English.
Kaya niya yan.
That's right. That's right.
I agree.
Well, first of all, sobrang challenging nga naman makipag-usap sa mentor na di Filipino.
Kaya ba ikaw na yung spokesperson?
Oo. But then, like, music is a language for everyone. So, probably doon kami nag-connect. Doon kami naturuan ng maigi. And these guys are so amazing. Sobra, I love them. They're like family. Sir Harold, to the Hyson family. Salamat dun sa time na like everyone is like welcoming us, especially yung sa family niya. And sobra, itong mga tao, sobrang gifted, napaka-blessed ako to be with them. And everyone, especially you guys, everyone. Man.
Parang buong barangay niyo dinala niyo ngayon.
May
Thank you.
bearing ba
And
to?
praise God for that. Praise God for that.
Chester,
Ayan, yung iba
baka
pa.
gusto mong mag-plug at encourage
I
sa
think
ating...
may sabihin pa yung ibang members.
Ay, okay, sige.
All I want to say, sir, you heard it. Nung una pa lang, thank you for everything. Thank you. We love you. We love you. Yun lang yung natutunan ko. Ang hirap kausapin, English eh.
Thank you, tsaka I love you. Kaya-kaya natin yan.
Very...
English,
Di ko kaya
English daw,
mag-English,
English.
Brad. Pasensya na, di
Yes,
ko kaya
brother,
mag-English.
anything you want to say for Sir Harold?
Hindi, actually, kinakausap ako sa Harold, ang sagot ko Tagalog eh. Buti nga nagkakaintindihan kami minsan. Ang hirap talaga, challenging. Hindi ako na-challenge sa na-challenge ako sa Englishan, brother. So, kaya nag-post ako sa FB, sabi ko, tanggalin na yung, may balita kasi natatanggalin yung Pilipino, sama nyo na yung English, sabi ko. Brad, so, pero
Sige, bago tayo mapunta sa DepEd, sige, yung message mo.
So yun, papasalamat ako unang-una kay Lord kasi sa kanya to eh. Kanya to.
Diba?
So yung pa lang. Okay. Grabe
Game na.
Papasalamat ako kasi yung sa may audition pa lang, pinag-pray namin tsaka pinag-fasting namin na si Sir Harold yung makuha namin to. Binigay naman ni Lord and tapos yun, hanggang ngayon, prayer, fasting pa rin. Nakailang fasting ba tayo, Brad?
Kaya pala ito nangayayat na Kaka-fasting.
Ang dami kong tawa dito sa group na to. I never thought na
So yun,
a mentor so serious yung mga alaga ganito.
Oo nga eh. So ginawa namin, pagka tugtugan natin, concert natin to. Parang gano'n na lang, ginawa namin. Kahit sumabit-sabit na, okay na. Final na eh, okay na yan. Wala na. Talo-talo na lang, di ba? Mga Brad.
Tingnan mo si Sir Harold. Tingnan mo yung tingin sa'yo ni Sir Harold. Yari ka mamaya sa backstage.
He understands, bro.
Hindi.
Kahit hindi ka
Hindi niya
nag-i-English.
naintindihan yun.
O sige, bago pa tayo, buti ng kinabukasan dito, do you wanna plug your band? Encourage everyone to vote for you?
So, maraming salamat po ulit. And here we are, Rename. I'd like to ask for your support. Please vote for us. Vote for us by keying in vote space I3 and send it to 8933. Maraming salamat po.
There you go. Maraming salamat. Rename, Sir Harold.
Thank you, Rename. Kuhang-kuha talaga yung accent. Sir, good luck, guys. Maraming salamat to your team. Alam mo, ayos yung natutunan ko dito sa bandang to. Wala na ang English at Filipino. Mag-usap na lang tayo through music. Okay, Carl, ano nang next natin dyan?
Isa rin lang natutunan ko, para pumayat ka, mag-fasting ka.
That's
Sa
right.
pagbabalik po ng Ignite ay malalaman na natin kung sino ang tatanghaling grand winner.
At bago pa tayo maging comedy show, this is the moment of truth, kaya hold on to your seats!
Don't go away at magbabalik pa po ang Ignite Gospel Music Festival
Season 2, The Finals Night!
This is it, Pansit. This is really it. Welcome back to Ignite Gospel Music Festival Season 2, the finals night.
Tama ka dyan, Carl! At ito na nga, konting minuto na lang at malalaman na natin kung sino ang magiging grand winner!
At syempre, ang nagdesisyon niyan ay ang ating mga televiewers. Sino kaya ang manguna sa mga boto?
Abay, pwede pa po kayong humabot before we officially close the voting lines.
At kakasabi mo lang na bago natin isara ang voting lines, you only have 15 seconds to vote!
Let's start the countdown. Here you go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the voting is now officially closed, mga kaibigan.
At ilang sandali na lang ay malalaman nyo na kung sino ang pinili nyo para maging grand champion ng Ignite Season 2.
But of course, before we announce that, ay pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors na kasama natin this whole season.
Ignite Season 2 wouldn't be possible without these partners. Pasalamatan natin. Ignite Gospel Festival Season 2 is presented to you by Imperial PVC Pipes and Thermocore Roofing, Saved Radio and Magazine, Spin Manila, PhilHealth, our major sponsors. Carl!
Maraming salamat kay Mr. Nereku, our official footwear provider, Nina's Touch and Makeup, official makeup sponsors of Ignite hosts and judge mentors, Mary Kay, official makeup sponsor of Ignite finalists, Patrick Uy, photography, official photographer, Reyes Haircutters, SM Accessories, Zed, Zen Institute Medical Spa, Lyric, True Sound, Audio Solutions Philippines, The Linden Suites. At syempre ang ating minor sponsors, Rem.
Dream Zen Inc., House of Praise, Travel Sim, Boundless Blessing, Lil Carlo Cafe, Malakay, EMS Catering Food, Musicat Ha, and also made possible by the following media partners.
PZAS, Energy FM, Globaltronics, iMac Photo, Buy and Sell, Fair News Media, BPO Hot Jobs, OFW Hot Jobs, OFW Hot Jobs, China Business, WhenInManila.com, Gospler.com, UCB Media, Word for You Today, Edge Radio, Positively Pinoy, DZUP at DZJV. At syempre itong Ignite ay hindi lang basta simpleng Battle of the Band show.
Of course, dahil ito po ay another way to gather fellow Christian artists and give praise and worship as one.
At dito rin ay pakita ang husay ng Pinoy sa musika.
Tama yan. At talaga namang Ignite is more than just a show. It's about giving hope to artists that there is still something to look forward to at ituloy ang kanilang passion.
Tama. At nakita naman natin na kahit competition ito, yung ibang mga finalists natin ay dito pa talaga nakahanap ng mga bago nilang mga kaibigan.
Tama ka dyan, Kay. And take note, hindi lang yung magkakasama sa team ang naging friends. Nandyan yung pagkatapos ng mga competition, nai-invite na, for example, si Team Harold, ini-invite nila yung church na kabanda ni Sir Jay or ni Miss Aya. So talagang lahat sila magkakaibigan na.
Oo, di ba? Parang tayong tatlo lang din. At nakakatuwang makita na nagkakasama-sama pa rin sila kahit outside Ignite.
Talagang it's a friendly competition, ika nga. At hindi lang skill sa pagtugtog ang natututunan nila dito.
Yes, it also gives inspiration and hope, lalo na sa mga Christian artists, and shows us lessons na only experience can teach.
Nakaka-overwhelm talaga at nakaka-bless na maging part ng ganitong program kasi talagang yung na-experience ng mga kasama natin dito ay higit pa sa mapapanalunan nila. Di ba lahat sila dito panalo na ngayon pa lang.
And of course, ano man po ang maging resulta, lahat sila ay panalo na.
And speaking of mapapanalunan, again, the season's grand champion will receive 100,000 pesos.
Wow.
Ang second placer naman ay makakatanggap ng 30,000 pesos, habang ang third place naman ay mag-uwi ng 20,000 pesos. At lahat sila ay mag-uwi din ng gift packs mula sa House of Praise.
Pero sa akin, ang pinaka-exciting talaga sa lahat ng yan ay dahil ang grand winner po for this season ay magpa-front act sa Living in the Wonder concert ni Mr. Tommy Walker na gaganapin sa MOA Arena sa November at magiging part din sila ng handog pasasalamat 14 concert ni Yen Constantino at Christian Bautista on December.
The champion will also get 56,000 worth of training seminar courtesy of Audi Solutions. Swerte talaga nila dito, guys, no? Panalong-panalo. And this is really the moment of truth, Carl! Rem!
Ito na po yan, mga kaibigan.
Yes.
Ang announcement na pinaka-iintay nating lahat.
After 4 remarkable and exciting months, sino kaya ang grand winner ng Ignite Season 2?
Once again, may we call in our grand finalists together with their mentors.
Mga kaibigan, Team Aya.
Team J.
And Team Harold. Sino nga kaya ang binoto sa kanila ng taong bayan para maging grand winner? Pero, habang pumapasok sila ay partners, mga partners, everybody in this place, I want you to look at me. Medyo bibitinin ko lamang kayo ng konti dahil meron po akong very, very special announcement.
Tungkol sa naman ang
Ano yan,
announcement na
Carl?
yan, ha? Ano yan?
Excited ba kayong marinig ang ating special announcement? Panoorin po natin to. Charan. Ang exciting ng announcement ko, mga kaibigan.
Teaser
Before
na
money
teaser
announce
talaga!
that after Ignite Gospel Music Festival Season 3 ay magkakaroon po na Ignite Gospel Music Festival Season 3!
Season 3, season excited ka masyado na, partner. Ayan, so it's something really to keep you guys excited.
Alright.
Abangan nyo yan.
So ito na talaga, no? Ito na. This is the moment of truth. To help us announce and award the winners, I'd like to call in the Business Development Manager of Zed, Mr. Russ Escuerdo, to help us award the third placer for tonight. Sir Russ, on stage, please.
Hi, Sir Russ.
Ito pala si Sir Russ.
Surprise!
Saang bangko po pwede ipapalit yung cheque na yan, Sir Russ? Okay, dito tayo. Okay, so mga kaibigan, handa na ba kayong malaman kung sino? Are you guys ready?
Ready?
Handang-handa na sila. Huwag na natin patagalin to, Rem.
Game! To receive 20,000 pesos. Dami, ah. May cut ba ako dito? Pesos. Third place goes to... Ano nangyari?
Hanggang bukas yan, drumroll na yan. Bam!
Na-excite ako.
Asan na?
Huwag kayo tumingin para surprise.
Wow.
Kami
Pikit
lang.
muna kayo, pikit na kayo. The third placer
Kinakount pa yung
is
boto.
Team
Suspense.
Sobrang suspense. Ayan, habang nagbibilang sila ng boto, patiin natin
Pakinggan muna natin yung mga cheers
Oo.
nila. Saan ba yung mga from Team Aya?
Woohoo! Ayun o.
Team J!
Grabe, lakas ng
How about the
pala.
Team Harold?
Sobrang lakas.
Pa-suspense lang tayo muna para sa ating third place.
Ayan.
Sino kaya?
At habang nagsususpense baba, okay na? Okay.
Alright, our third placer is Team Aya!
Congratulations, guys!
Congratulations, you will get 20,000 pesos.
Wow!
Siyempre, meron din tayong gift packs from House of Praise.
Thank you.
Alright, maraming salamat, Team Aya. You may now move on to this side.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, guys!
Talaga nga namang tunay na lahat naman talaga ay winners already. Eto, naglalaban na lang tayo ngayon.
Alright, so move tayo konti dito.
I'm sure nabunutan
We
na
have
rin ng
Team
tinig
J
kay Team
over
Aya.
here and Team Harold over here.
Ayan na, lalong naging mas exciting ang ating gabi.
Okay, dito na ako.
Ayan.
Sa lugar na to. Sino sa tingin nyo ang magiging grand winner for this season? Is it Team J or Team Harold?
Ngayon, ang team na babanggitin natin ay siya ang pinili ng ating viewers na maging grand winner. So, automatic yung babanggitin natin, sila ang grand winner, and the other team will be
The second placer. At para tulungan tayong i-award ang ating grand winner and second placer, I'd like to call on Dr. Ish Pargas of UP PhilHealth and Mr. Mark Yulo, the CEO of Audio Solutions Philippines.
Vice
Also,
President.
yes, and we also would like to call on the General Manager of Spin Manila, Mr. Janet
Hello.
Mercado.
Wow.
All right.
Talaga ng cheque.
We are very excited for this.
Ayan, hindi ko na
Kanya-kanya
alam saan
na
ako mapwesto.
pag-cheer ang Team J at Team Harold.
Ayun,
Rename ba?
Or Ricochet!
Or Ricochet? Pareho pa talaga
Ang tatawagin po nating pangalan ng banda ay ang ating grand winner. So gaya po na sinabi ni KA, ang hindi po matatawag automatically ay ang ating second placer. So,
good luck!
Ang mahiwagang bulong ni Cherry.
Para sa ating grand winner, come on guys, i-cheer nyo na kung sino ang gusto ninyo maging grand winner!
Kinakabahan na din
Ako,
sila.
Kinakabahan ako, Rem. Feeling ko content. Ay, bakit ako?
Silipin natin.
The grand winner for this season.
Oh, tama yung hula ko, Carl.
Ito, ang ating grand winner.
Ay ang team...
Team ba? Team?
Team ba? O, anong gusto niya? Band name o team?
Team o band name?
Ito na lang. Pareho. Ang ating grand winner ay Team...
Team...
Rename!
Congratulations to Rename!
Congratulations, Rename!
And congratulations din sa Ricochet Band!
Congratulations, Rename!
Congratulations, Team
Sir
Harold!
Harold!
Congratulations,
Sir
Team
Jay!
J!
Second place! Congratulations, guys! At syempre, Team Aya, congratulations!
Team Aya, congratulations!
Woo! Yan ang binoto ng ating televiewers at ng kanilang mga supporters. Good job, guys! Congratulations, mga kaibigan!
Once again, maraming salamat sa ating mga mentors. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa Ignite Gospel Music Festival Season 2.
Mga kaibigan, ignite the fire of musical excellence once again. My name is K.A.
And I am Rem Baguio.
Ako naman po si Carl Christian Guevara and this is
Ignite Gospel Music Festival Season 2.
Makita-kita pa tayo ulit next year sa Season 3. God bless you guys.
Congratulations!